Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty with rear wheel drive, dual rear wheels. This has a 16-foot box on it with a pull-out ramp in the back. Some nice Goodyear Wrangler tires here on the front. Chassis has been repainted with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Prevents any new rust from forming, any existing rust from spreading. The wheels have also been repainted with a fresh white coat. Some nice Firestone tires on the back here as well. Box has been repainted with a fresh white coat as well. Again, this is a 16-foot box. Rear bumper has been repainted with the anti-rust chassis saver black paint as well. There's your pull-out ramp. Box is in overall pretty solid condition. No leaks or anything in the transparent roof. Floor and walls are in great condition. This thing is looking and running great. This truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Now taking a look at the interior. This truck's been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. As you can see, this particular truck has 191,632 miles. No lights on the dash. Everything looking and running great. Now let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Now taking a look under the hood here. All of our trucks get an oil change, an oil filter change. All the fluids get checked and either changed or topped off as need be. As you can see, and here, this truck is running great, and this thing is ready to get to work. These Ford E-350 Super Duties come equipped with a 5.4-liter flex fuel V6 Triton engine, coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. And there you have it, a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box and a pull-out ramp, dual rear wheels with rear-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter flex fuel V6 Triton engine coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, 176-inch wheelbase, and a GVWR of 12,500 pounds. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.